All right, so we have a dilation. A center of dilations at 2, -3, 2, -3. And we're going to dilate it by half. So let's go ahead and label these vertices. So for -5 will be, I guess, will be A. B will be 8, -3. And C will be 6, -9. All right. And, okay, so let's start with A. So A was for -5. So let's look for A prime. So we start off with our 4. Oh wait, I'm supposed to do this in a different color. So A prime. We start off with 4. We undo the 2, so it's -2. We multiply by the scale factor, which is half. And then we put the 2 back. Or shift it back. Okay. Okay. I think that's better. Maybe I just need to, there it is. Okay. And then for our y was -5. We will undo the -3. So we have to do +3. This is where you got to be careful. This is why we're doing the second example. It says we're going, the formula says minus this. If you take away a negative, or if you do the opposite, if you undo the -3, you're going to add 3. Multiply by a scale factor of half, and then we're going to undo that back. Okay. So 4 times 2 is, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times half is, or half of 2 is 1. And then -5 plus 3 is -2. Half of -2 is -1. And we take away 3. So we get 1 plus 2 is 3. -1 minus 3 is -4. So this is where A prime is. So 3, -4. All right, let's do it again. So B prime. Oh, I should probably do this. So B prime. Well, let's label B first. B is 8, -3. Eight, -3. So we start with, we start with 8. And then we undo the 2, so -2. Multiply by a scale factor, which is half. And then we shift it back. Okay, we start off with the -3. We undo the -3, so +3. Multiply it by our scale factor, which is half. And then we move it back, -3. All right, so 8 minus 2 is 6. Half of 6 is 3. And 3 plus 2. -3 plus 3 is 0. Half of 0 is, of course, 0. 0 minus 3. So B prime is 3 plus 2, which is 5. 0 minus 3, -3. So 5, -3, 5, -3. This is the location of B prime. Now we have one more. So C is 6, -9. So let's figure out what C prime is. So we start off at 6. We undo the shift right 2. So instead of +2, we do -2. Multiply by a scale factor, and then we put the 2, shift it back by 2. Now the -9 is the y. Let's shift it back to 0, 0, or undo that transformation. So, sorry, I have to look again. That was -3, so I'm going to need to add 3. Multiply by our scale factor, or scale it by a factor of half, and then undo that, plus 3. Alright, so 6 minus 2 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. So I get 2 plus 2. And then -9 plus 3 is -6. Half of -6 is -3. And 2 plus 2 is 4. -3 minus 3 is -6. So C prime is 4, -6. I can make that a little nicer looking. Looks kind of weird. So C prime is 4, -6. So 4, let me graph this. 4, -6. C prime. So this should make a smaller version, or be a smaller version of the other one. Let's check. Okay, so it should go through the vertices, and then it should connect. Oh, I did that one wrong. Yeah, that's about right. And then about right. So that's it. Thank you.